Okay, world, it is Kevin coming back to you. I'm at my house. We are outside. We got Jasmine over here, and I'm gonna make a garden box. So I'm gonna do this for you, and it's just gonna be super simple, but do something productive today. So I got 4 pieces of wood. We got Jasmine. Watch out, Jazzy butt. Move. Here's Jasmine. What are you doing, Wolver? So we got 4 of these, and we're gonna set it up like this. 1 there, 1 here. Ground is on level. So I'm gonna start here. So we got our box. Let me see. What do you think, Jasmine? All right. Watch out, Mama. Yes, I know. I see you. Come on. Watch out. Now, if I don't watch Jasmine, she'll run off. So, Jazzy, come here. You better sit your butt. All her balls are in the house, so she's just out here running around. She's exploring. Just using some nails that I found around the house. So, nothing special. Half of them are Tico nails, the other half are just regular. Jasmine? Jazz-butt! See, she's a big old slut butt. So now we gotta go find Jasmine. Jasmine! She's just over there by the front porch. She likes to hide under the porch. I guess it's cool over there, even though it's pretty chilly out. So we just don't want her to run off and get any more goats. Ain't that right, Mama? Come on. You're in the way, Jazzy. Gotta show the viewers that Kevin is a builder. Makes it a little hard with the grass being a little uneven where I'm at, but no matter. So we got our base there. Or let's see. This was just spare wood that I found. Jazzy! Go find Jazzy's butt now. Hey! Mama? Whooper! Hey! Well, we lost Jasmine, so story of my life. She likes to be sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. But as you can see, we got a little bit of a box. So now I gotta go find Jasmine before I come back and finish this. But thank you for watching Kevin make a garden box. What we're actually gonna put in here yet, I do not know. But it might be my carrots. There he is. Come on, Jazzy. Over here, Wolf. You better get your ass over here, Wolfer. You know I love her. Come on, Mama. So today we're also going to split some firewood. So I'll get you some pictures of Kevin and his wood pile. You already know I'm the musician who's got wood. And I am the man known as the builder to rapper. And yeah, so we're going to do some computer work. But, you know, I figured I'd get outside and do something productive. You know, it's not always great being stuck inside the house. So, and it's not as cold as I thought it'd be, but it's nice out. So check this out. I'm gonna hit you with the finished product when I'm done. You know, I'm gonna come back and put in like 3-4 nails on each thing. I got a whole mountain of dirt over there that I'm gonna fill up the wheelbarrow. And yeah, so we're gonna plant this garden bed. Where I'm gonna put it yet, I do not know. But you know, I'm going to have a great garden this year. So